This is a very quick video how to get access to the Skoda Fabia, in my case, windshield wiper pump. Get access from the right wheel over here. Now it's very hard to demonstrate, but you got these clips right here. You need to pry them open a little bit, and then the connector come out from both sides. The connector is this connector for the power. Let me show you. Gentle pry on the connector and it should come right out. Okay, and for the pump you need to pry it up. Okay, it's set right here. You need to pry it up, and then you can replace with your new pump. You got a bunch of bolts, T20. You only need to remove this side and in the bottom and a couple of here. I remove here. This is a mistake, you don't have to do it, and that's it. So I fill the water in the tank. Let's see if we fix it. So it's working. Of course, you need to get back all the bolts. It's very simple. It's not a how-to tutorial, it's just a quick video to show you an overview. Hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys like always in the next video.